Okay, it's time for Enzo Music News, and there are heaps of bands that are going on tour, so I thought we'd just cover a few of them, because it's always good to go out and support your local acts and get out behind and see them. Beast Wars I've talked about before. They've got a brand new album called Blood Becomes Fire due out real soon, and in light of that they're going to play a show at Real Groovy Records for World Record Store Day, a 40-minute set, and then they are going on tour with John Garcia from Caius. His side project Unita is travelling around New Zealand and Australia, so they're playing with them and doing their own dates. Check out undertheradar.co.nz for those details. Tahuna Breaks have got a brand new album out called Shadow Light, which is ace. It's their third album, and they're saying it's kind of dance-orientated funk, and they're hitting, where are they hitting? They've already done Wellington, heading to the Mount, Christchurch, Dunedin, Auckland, and a whole host more. Check out their Facebook page for details. That is Tahuna Breaks with their new album Shadow Light. And then we talked about Luke Thompson earlier, his brother, of course, with Joseph and Maya. Luke Thompson is teaming up with Lydia Cole for an extensive tour. This is going to be awesome. All around April, they're going from Kirikiri to Dunedin, and they're going to be quite intimate settings, so make sure you get your tickets early so they don't sell out. But they're heading to Kirikiri, Whangarei, Auckland, Tauranga, Te Awamutu, Gisborne, Wanganui, Wellington, Nelson, Dunedin and Christchurch. So I thought, in light of that, let's celebrate and play some Lydia Cole right now on Endzone.